When it comes to materials with art, one of the things I would say is it's actually important with watercolour to choose a really good quality watercolour paper and to choose reasonable quality watercolour paints. The brushes that I use myself aren't the top of the line watercolour brushes, but they also aren't the cheapest of the cheap. And what's interesting is when I actually started doing my training in watercolour with another watercolour artist, it was really interesting. I was really heartened because he brought out his brushes and he was using the same brushes that I was using, and I sort of felt a bit funny because I wasn't buying the most expensive brushes, but he was this professional artist that was using the same brushes as me. So that sort of reaffirmed, if you can actually get the techniques down, and as long as the equipment that you're using isn't fighting against you, you don't necessarily have to use the top of the range brushes. But I will reinforce that paper, the surface that you're going to be painting on, it's really important to use the best quality that you can afford, because that will have an impact on the results that you're going to get. And we'll talk about the kind of papers that you can use and the do's and don'ts when it comes to using certain papers for painting. If you like this video, find more watercolour painting techniques here and subscribe to Channel NT for more workshops from Northern Territory artists. Visit channelnt.com.au.